Hello everybody, welcome back to another Fantasy Wax Melts new releases video. I want to start off this video by apologizing quickly if I have to take a lot of pauses. I have a sore throat today. My allergies have been kicking my butt, so if I need to, chug some water for 5 minutes, I'm so sorry about that. But regardless, today, June 23rd at 3 p.m. Central Time, our newest pre-order is opening and I am so excited. I have been loving doing the pre-orders. I just feel like it's such a good way for you to get bigger sizes and scents, get maybe a bunch of stuff you've been wanting, all sorts of good things. And this pre-order, I have a lot of information coming at you. So it's a lot more of me talking versus visually seeing things. But if you want to see all of this written down, join our Facebook group for sure. Definitely follow us on Instagram. And then of course this pre-order will be live at 3 p.m. today and it will go till Wednesday, which is Wednesday, June 28th at 8 p.m. Central Time. So feel free to browse the Etsy shop. Everything will be available unlimited for that time period. So I am going to be reading from my phone from our Facebook group just so I can give you all of the information. But as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment those down below. So yes, like I said, the start date is today. Today is Friday, June 23rd at 3 p.m. Central Time. Our Etsy shop will go live and all of the listings will be the pre-order listings. So everything else will be unavailable during this time, but it will come back when the pre-order closes. So if you're looking for core scents or anything that is currently available, it's just the pre-order for this time. So it opens today and it closes on Wednesday, June 28th at 8 p.m. Central Time. I decided to extend our open pre-order time because I feel like I can handle it, but if for any reason it becomes crazy, and if I do have to close it early, I will make sure to post with 24 hours notice on both Facebook and Instagram to let you guys know. Our turnaround time is 60 days with an expected ship date of August 27th, but as always, if we can ship them sooner, I will ship it sooner. That happened with our last pre-order. I was able to ship, I think, either a week or 2 weeks earlier than expected, so if I can, I absolutely will. Alright, so for this pre-order, we're doing something a little bit different. So we're going to have some samplers available and then we're also going to have individual scents available. I thought that would be a little bit more fun because I know a lot of people really enjoy the bundles. So the sampler is essentially a bundle. So it's going to come with 8 snap bars. So if you've purchased from our SPC collabs, our Plannahannah collab, it is the exact same sort of thing. You're going to get 8 snap bars all bundled together and they are going to be $34.95 for, like I said, 8 snap bars. And so we have 4 samplers we're testing out for this time and I think they're gonna go over really well. At least I hope they do because in my opinion I really like them. So the first one is going to be our See You Later Summer Sampler. So a lot of really great summer scents that were popular this year. Included in that is going to be Cherry Slushy plus Blue Hawaiian, Strawberry, Lemon Curd, and Twinkies, which was our Ariel scent. Cherry Slushy and Blue Hawaiian I think was the Sebastian scent maybe? I don't remember. Watermelon Candy, Summer Scoop and Waffle Cone, Pink Sugar and Bum Bum, or Boom Boom, excuse me, S'mores and Salty Sea Air, Fruit Punch, Mountain Dew, and then Volcano Type. So that is 8 different scents that are going to be available in one sampler, so you will buy it as a bundle. The next bundle / sampler is the Pumpkin Patch Sampler. I thought it was a really fun idea. I asked for pour requests on our Facebook group and somebody had mentioned you should do a See You Later Summer and then it was like you should do a Pumpkin Patch, and I was like that's perfect because this does ship at the end of August. So the Pumpkin Patch Sampler is all pumpkin scents. So it is Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, Pumpkin Peanut Brittle, Pumpkin Bread, Pumpkin Spice Latte, Pumpkin Cheesecake, Pumpkin Pie Ice Cream, Pumpkin Caramel Poke Cake, and Pumpkin Apple Butter. I'm a huge fan of pumpkin. So excited for that one. Then we have our Blackberry Jam Butter Cookies Sampler. Blackberry Jam Butter Cookies has been a favorite from Fantasy Wax for forever now. I feel like I've just been so obsessed with it. So to have it as a sampler, I'm so excited. So all of these have Blackberry Jam Butter Cookies, so I'm gonna say it a lot. Just be warned. Blackberry Jam Butter Cookies and Yellow Cake, Blackberry Jam Butter Cookies, Pretzel and Pumpkin Pecan Waffles, Blackberry Jam Butter Cookies, Wild Berry Mousse and Zucchini Bread, Blackberry Jam Butter Cookies, Tea and Cakes and Waffle Cone, Blackberry Jam Butter Cookies and Mallow Fireside, Blackberry Jam Butter Cookies, Sugar Corn Pudding and Sugar Cookie Royale, Blackberry Jam Butter Cookies, Brown Sugar Pound Cake, and then Blackberry Jam Butter Cookies, Salted Caramel and Zucchini Bread. Okay, and then our last sampler, I think it might be the most popular, but I'm just genuinely excited. It is our lemon pound cake sampler. If you have not tried our lemon pound cake core scent, you absolutely have to. It is a fan favorite, a customer favorite, fan favorite. Everybody loves it. I personally am the biggest fan of it. It is so good. Every time I make it, I'm so excited. So this is a lemon pound cake sampler. So just like with the blackberry jam butter cookies, I'm going to be saying lemon pound cake a lot. So the first one is lemon pound cake and zucchini bread, lemon pound cake amaretto and pie crust, lemon pound cake tea and cakes and cornbread, lemon pound cake and pretzel, lemon pound cake serendipity type and sugar cookie, lemon pound cake and pistachio pudding cake, lemon pound cake yellow cake and cream cheese frosting, and lemon pound cake and cereal and milk. And cereal and milk is our core cereal scent, which smells like Fruit Loops, and it's amazing. So those are going to be the 4 samplers that are going to be available. Like I said, those are all just going to be a bundle. You cannot purchase the individual scents. It is all just a bundle of 8 snap bars. So now the individual scents that are going to be available, you can purchase these in 4 different sizes. So you can get them in our 2-ounce snap bar. You can get them in our 3.1 ounce mini chunk bag, which comes with 6 of these like pre-cut chunks, which are literally the easiest thing on the planet to use. Then you can also get our 6.4 ounce chunky bags, which is which is double, so it's 12 chunks. If you love a scent, this is amazing. Or you can get our 13-ounce loaf. If you really love a scent, the loaf is the way to go. You can get so many melts out of a loaf. So these scents that are going to be available for that, like I said, I did ask for pour requests, and I tried to use every single person's request. Like if you requested something, I tried to use it. The only ones that I passed on are scents that are probably coming in the future. So that's basically my logic there. I also added in some scents that sold really, really well in the collections that a lot of people have been asking for to come back. So I'm really excited to go over. I think there's 22 scents for you guys. Alrighty, are you ready? I gotta breathe and get this through this. Okay, so strawberry white cake and zucchini bread, fresh bread, pretzel and sugar cookie royale, apple strudel, zucchini bread, and glazed donuts, which apple strudel, zucchini bread, glazed donuts would be absolutely perfect for the fall. I'm just tossing that one out there. Blueberry cobbler, pumpkin pecan waffles and zucchini bread, salted caramel, vanilla pound cake and cornbread, zucchini bread, buttery caramel, French baguette and brown sugar, cereal and milk and zucchini bread, blue sugar and salty sea air, lavender marshmallow, pink sugar and tea and cakes, lemon pound cake and blackberry jam butter cookies. I didn't know whether to put that in the lemon pound cake sampler or the blackberry jam butter cookies sampler, so I was like, let's just make it its own individual scent. Peppermint, mallow, fluff, and sugar milk, strawberry white cake, pink sugar, and zucchini bread, plain salty sea air. I've been getting tons of requests for the Jaws shark scent to come back, and it was salty sea air. Strawberry white cake, Old Town Bake Shop, and mallow fluff, pretzel, caramel latte, and vanilla bean Noel, strawberry bread and zucchini bread, strawberry pound cake and funnel cake, lemon curd, huckleberry harvest, and cinnamon glazed baklava, pistachio pudding cake, vanilla bean Noel, and zucchini bread, and blueberry white cake and lemon curd. That's all the scents for you guys. Again, I am genuinely so excited for this pre-order. I love working on pre-orders. It's one of my favorite things to do. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Definitely let me know if there's any samplers you're really excited for, any individual scents. I just cannot wait. So like I said, this will go live today at 3 p.m. Central Time. It'll run through Wednesday. Definitely be sure to join our Facebook group and follow us on Instagram if you're not already. And of course, subscribe to me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.